Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix if you are not able to download the video or picture in WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp app. Okay, I have installed this WhatsApp app on this Windows PC, and I just opened one of the chat and trying to download the video. Okay, this video is playable but it's not actually downloading. Even if I'm giving save as, see, save as, there is no response, and I'm just clicking on this select and then clicking on this download button. The dialog box is opened, but I'm not able to save it. Even the folder is selected. Okay. When I open the folder, it's not found. So that's the issue. What you need to do is, in order to fix that, open WhatsApp web app. Okay. Go to WhatsApp web app. So here I'm trying to download the same. Okay. Just download the same video. I'm going to tap this download. So it's downloaded, friends. So this is the way you can fix the issue if you're not able to download the file or video or picture. Also, you can click that and download it. So that's it, friends. So this is the way you can fix the issue in WhatsApp to download the files. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to my forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.